Kasama po natin ngayon ang controversial na 4th District Congressman ng Dasmariñas, Cavite, Congressman Kiko Barsaga.
Meow.
Ba't lagi mong ginagawa yun? Ano yun?
Oh, ganito yung pusa. Meow, meow.
Oo. Sobrang love mo mga pusa. Oh, gaano karami ang alaga mong pusa?
Mga 19, actually. Well, actually, lagi silang dumadami since lagi nadadagdagan yung mga pusa ko. Last month lang nadagdagan ng 2 pa, or I think 2 months ago, nung nag-visit kami sa Paws Shelter. So, yung last interview ko, sinabi ko 17, ngayon 19 na. Si Bernie at si Vernon.
Kaya ka tinawag na Congress Meow.
Congress Meow.
Oo. Minsan sinasabi nila parang wala sa timing yung pag-meow-meow mo. Pero yung iba, kung kilala ka nila, ganun mo ka-love ang mga pusa. Pero sinasabi nila parang hindi kailangan mag-meow-meow si Kong. Pero ginagawa niya.
Events, pag nagsasalita ako sa entablado. It's my philosophy, and I've said this in a previous interview before, na pag ganun ako sa bahay, ganun din ako in public, in events. What I am in private, I am in public. Kasi pag nakasanayan mong laging iba yung private personality at public personality mo, parang magiging disingenuous ka na. You would start becoming either yourself or your image. I intend to make who I am and who my image is to be the same person. Kaya nagmamiyaw-miyaw ako, I act friendly, I make my emotions and my interests and my beliefs open, because that's what I am when I am alone. And that's what I intend to also be when I'm in public.
And when you're in public, so yun nga, medyo maingay si Congress Meow dahil sunod-sunod yung mga post mo sa Facebook mo. Na-call out ka pa ng dati mong partido, yung
yung sa nag-press.
MUP? O,
yung press con and NUP 30 minutes ago. He's not welcome. I mean, may mga ganun. Kasi pag iba yung personality mo sa normal, medyo weird ka. Ibig sabihin, may sayad na yan, abnoy na yan. Yun yung isipin ng mga tao, and that is that's an observation, and that's a very valid observation. Chairman Puno is also a Filipino citizen, and I am a member of the House of Representatives, so he's also free to criticize me on that. Pero para sa akin lang na yung sa Ethics Committee kasi, yes, I've done wrong things, and yes, I'm completely ready to face any allegations against me. Kay Chairman Puno, walang personalan. If he is mad at me, if he feels it is necessary for him to speak against me since I used to be a party member, then that's good. It's good that we investigate and we judge all of our House members. And that is why I also started a call for investigation of Martin Romualdez and Zaldico, because everyone else is getting investigated. All the DPWH officials, all the small-time contractors, they're being investigated, but no one has said the name of Martin Romualdez. And the way I see it, it's a lose-lose situation for him, because either he is complicit in the acts of corruption in Congress, the hundreds of billions that's been stolen, or he is not aware of it, which is even more dangerous. Kasi ang iniisip na tao, corrupt yan o corrupt si Speaker. Pag iniisip nila yan, delikado yan sa ating bansa. Hindi, that's corruption, that's bad. But what's worse is that kung hindi siya corrupt at hindi niya alam nangyayari yun, hundreds of billions has been stolen, and him as the Speaker of the House and as the cousin of the President, who's very close with the President, very close with the administration, the executive, is not aware of it. Paano niya hindi alam yun? So either he is involved in it or he has no knowledge of it. Either of these scenarios, he has to be held accountable.